Viewers are watching World Class News at Richard Ocean's first culinary partnership parade ceremony at a local Catholic church in London. Special participation of Josephine Christina from Spain and His Excellency Ismail bin Rahim Hassan from United Arab Emirates. Finance Secretary Fath Roshan. According to our correspondent Shasib Sahutra from London, the granddaughter of Master Roshan Sami from Okara and the last of Dr. Abid Roshan Okara and the famous journalist Mumtaz Munir Sahutra of Spain. Ishal Roshan, the first culinary partnership parade ceremony in London was held in the local Catholic Church. President of Oman, Spain, Josephine Christina Huma Hamid, Shehbaz Zafar, apart from Spain, Ifat Roshan, Finance Secretary of Group of Companies, the famous businessman of the United Arab Emirates, Ismail bin Ibrahim Hassan, retired Colonel Syed Abid Raza, and the well-known lawyer and social worker of London, Jack Gill, and other important figures of the community participated. All the participants expressed their best wishes for the daughter's success and long life and health. Father Paul, the preside of St. Augustine's Catholic Church in London, performed the religious rites. From the after prayer ceremony, the participants were treated to delicious food and the cake was cut. The participants started the ceremony with the moon by putting bhangra. The family of late Master Roshan Sami thanked all the friends for coming. You see in World Class News, Ashdale.